PMHK here, obviously. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, don't forget to click that bell button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and obviously like this video. Today I am not alone. I have a guest. I think it's been a while since I have a guest in this channel. Yeah, people don't like me, so they don't come to the show.
I understand why.
Oh wow, you're supposed to have my back here. Wow.
Okay, I just had to say that.
Anyways, introduce yourself, but I know people already know you since you are
They
very
don't.
famous these days.
Wow.
These
The
days.
shade.
Very famous.
And I'm so glad to be here. So cool.
So
To be in the humble, what do you call
How do
it?
you like the space actually?
It's really nice.
Is it?
I love your house. Yes,
So
it's
must
very
make focus. You don't look at yourself because she keeps looking at herself.
I
and what's happening there? She's drooling over herself. Okay, so in this video, this is basically it was supposed to be a 6 month later with this guy here. 6 months later, but as you can see, she's been dodging me for more than 6 months. Because I think it's now 2 years later.
No, it's not me. He
I
only
think it's
approached me like a month ago. It's a month.
All right, she's right. I'm lying. She's right.
Well, before you say it, this is the fanciest air fryer I've seen in my life.
It's just a white
I'm telling you,
air
I
fryer.
swear if Pedro, probably he's got like a knife that you can connect to your phone. That's how tech savvy he is.
And hi, this is a 1 year later review of this guy. We did a video, that video is doing very well. But for the case, people are enjoying the video, so we're going to do basically the same thing that we did on the other video. We're gonna taste the food, but today I don't want to be the only one tasting the food and tell you guys how it tastes, because I know it's gonna taste well. So I called somebody who actually also uses one at her house.
That's all I cook with.
All I cook.
But not the fancy
with.
one.
It's the same thing though.
No.
Okay, so since she has one at home, we can actually maybe compare the taste, because we have some things here that we're going to be trying. This is something she eats from Woolies that she thinks I'm going to enjoy.
The best plant-based, what do you call it? Schnitzel.
I don't even know what you
That's
call
what
it.
they call it. It's like a crumbed, like it's like meat.
It's like
chicken
a fake chicken nugget, basically.
a bit. Oh, are these the nuggets? Yes, these are the nuggets. Yes. Okay, you got the answer.
Fake chicken nuggets.
Yes. They taste
Is it going
so
to taste
good.
like chicken?
It's gonna taste like chicken. You have the dips, right?
What's the dips?
Like just like tomato sauce, chutney,
I have mayo.
mayo. That will work as well.
I think it's finished actually.
But either or, it's still going to taste good.
We're going to try it and maybe see if whatever comes out here is still going to taste as good as the one she does on her air fryer at home. We also have our most common one, the salmon.
I'm gonna taste the salmon, but
Looks
I don't know when last I had salmon.
And what's nice about the fish, maybe 10 minutes is enough and it's done. For those who didn't watch the previous video, this is the Xiaomi Mi air fryer.
Xiaomi.
Yeah, Xiaomi Mi air fryer. If I remember correctly, it's a 4-liter air fryer. Meaning,
It's quite small.
yeah, it's quite tiny.
But for a person who stays alone, this is perfect.
Exactly. And it's actually also, it has that, at least when it was new, it had the coating, but non-stick coating.
Yes, but it still works, doesn't it?
It does too.
But you know there is those things at like your Checkers, Pick and Pay. I don't know why I'm naming brands, but they sell the air fryer papers. So you put it in,
I've seen it on Instagram.
and then that saves. It doesn't like mess up your stuff. So everything you do it in that paper.
I've seen the one that are doing pancake. They put a paper, they spread a little bit of pancake, they put the other one, pancake.
Yes,
pancake,
so that's like perfect. So you don't have to mess up your coating, and it stays new.
We're learning. Okay, so we're going to start with the fish. Which one smells the strongest? We start with the one that smells
I think this
less
does not
strong.
this one.
Okay, we start with that one. How long does it take to cook?
A good 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes.
10, 15 minutes. Okay, we have 10, 15 minutes. So let me plug this in back where it normally sits. This normally sits here, and everybody that passes in the kitchen always asks, what's that? I always tell them it's a smart air fryer.
Wow.
Smart.
You bougie like
for
that.
For
yeah.
you peasants out there, it's a smart air fryer.
Wow.
Peasants. So yeah, we're gonna start with the chicken snizzle.
No, this is not. This
Nuggets.
is actually the nuggets. Because the thingy normally is with this pack.
So you just
I
throw
think
it
they
out
changed
there.
it. It's like literally. Why did you take it out of the deep freezer?
I thought it needed to not be frozen.
No, you don't.
So frozen, you put
Put it straight in.
So which means now it's gonna take less time.
Hopefully, let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
So how many are you putting? 4.
Ooh, how many do you wanna eat?
2 each sounds good.
Only.
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
put 6 there.
There we go. We have it inside now, and we're gonna pop it in.
Yeah.
Should I put it on manual or
highest
put it
one.
on the highest one? So let's do
What does
manual.
that mean? Chicken.
Yeah, because
what's
it comes with presets. You have manual,
Fried
you have
chicken.
French fries,
Ooh.
you have chicken, there's chicken wings, fish, and steak. And shrimp. There's shrimp also.
I need to take this with me.
Vegetables.
Do you like the same fry?
The
That fry?
cake also. I actually forgot about this
This
preset.
is so cool. Let's go
Better
for
than yours.
chicken.
Chicken.
Let's go for chicken. Chicken white wings, yeah.
You select chicken and ask you if it's single or double. So if you have the tail inside, you can put it on
put
top
it
and
bottom.
put it under. That qualifies as double. So since we don't have the tray inside, we're gonna choose single. And as you guys can see, actually, this is how you navigate and control everything. So if you turn on the sides, go back
Yeah,
and
because I want
forth.
it crispy, crispy.
You want it crispy, crispy. Okay, it's gonna be
Let's see.
crispy,
It's
crispy.
gonna be. Can I have something to wipe my hands with?
So it's been almost 7 minutes, and as usual, the machine will ask you to shake. So if you have things that needs to be shaken, you could
I'm
just.
hungry. Is that you
No,
shaking?
This looks nice. That's the shaking.
Pedro, no ways. Yeah, shake, but like a man.
Hey, it's supposed to be a church girl. Must shake like a man.
Shake. Give it. Yeah, like do something. Continue. There you go.
So it will ask you to shake it. So what makes this a smart air fryer is that as it asks me to shake here, if I have the phone companion app installed, and maybe I'm in the living room or I'm taking a dump in the toilet,
Disgusting. We're
it
gonna
will.
eat.
I'll cut it, brother. It will. No, why? I'm not cutting it. How? I'm not even cutting this. It will give you a notification for you to come maybe and shake, or make sure you wash your hands before you come and shake, obviously.
Yeah.
So you can make sure it gets evenly cooked everywhere.
Yeah.
So
The shaking is important, guys. Whether you have notifications on your
put it
phone
back.
or not, it's important.
Hey, that's the smart part of this.
I'm really intrigued by this, eh?
Of course, if it's yours, let's say you're in a studio, you are in a part of the house which is the studio, and how far is it from you, yours?
Literally there. Listen, some of us don't stay in nations like you, so please.
No, the thing is, it defeats the purpose of the example I was trying to give.
I know what you're trying to say, but
Yeah.
what I'm saying is my house is a... Guys,
Yeah.
Petro's house is huge.
No, it's not. Don't.
For me to go to the bathroom, I have to like prepare my mind.
Oh wow, you see now, you see things you say here. That's one thing I've realized. The things we say here, they're always amplified when it gets to people's ears, or even the
That
things
part.
they see. People think I have a lot of phones until this day, eh?
No, you don't
I
though.
only have that one. Okay, I have two.
But you've got phones. So if I were to lose a phone, I'm like, Pedro, do you have an extra phone? You're going to be like, yeah, mate. Don't worry, I got you. What do you want? iPhone 14
You
Pro
agree
Max?
with their narrative right now. I don't have that many phones. Right, so the chicken nuggets or these plants that we are eating.
Plant-based nuggets.
They are plants in the shape of nuggets are ready. Are they
Perfect. I want that
crispy
one.
enough? Those fingers that haven't been cleaned.
They have.
Then you touched me, you're gonna touch it again. There we go. Defeat the purpose. So while we taste these nuggets, she's a ketchup person or tomato sauce person. I'm more of a mayo guy. To all my mayo people out there, man. Okay, let's put the fish while we. Actually, the fish is much faster than, as I mentioned
The
before.
nuggets, yeah.
Much faster than the nuggets. The nuggets were 15 minutes, fish 10 minutes. Let's put it on fish.
They don't have like a salmon
Single,
thing.
not specifically salmon, fish 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Good.
Taste first because I know how it tastes. But I want to see if there's like a difference.
Look at me, almost dipped into poison.
Which is, it's not poison. I hope it's not poison because if I get sick, I'm going to call you at 12 o'clock in the evening.
Let me also do
Just-
it before people go to their houses, get sick and sue us.
I've never had these with tomato sauce. It tastes good, huh?
This is not bad.
And you're not having meat.
Really? Nah, I'm being deceived. I don't like it.
They're really good. And you get the protein as well in it.
I think it's better than a normal chicken nugget.
Way better. Thank you. I'm glad somebody says it.
But I don't like the fact that I'm being deceived.
Yeah, I know. They're really good.
Ha ha ha.
And the crispiness adds on to the niceness of it.
Maybe it's because it's Woolies as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean.
Wow. Bro.
I'll get you this other sauce I like using. So at Woolies they've got these.
Wow.
These chicken, not chicken. It's called onion and something crunch.
How much was this?
It's about 70 something rand.
For how many?
For I don't know how many, but it's a good serving.
Wow. This is an amazing air fry. Make this thing
I was
taste
about
nice.
to say that it is crispier than how I have to put it longer. This was
Really?
quick. Yeah. This was definitely quick, but it tastes the same.
So points for the air fryer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Must throw the air fryer away, né?
No,
I'll hook you up.
I don't have 5,000 rand.
It's not 5,000.
It looks like a
This
5,000.
model, when it's on sale, goes for around 1.8, 1.6. Normal price 2,000.
That's electricity, that's petrol.
But that's the same
That's
price
so-
as a regular air fryer. So if maybe you guys don't have an air fryer at home,
Is it?
food is ready. Yes, the food is ready.
Is it the same plate I'm using? So do you eat salmon with thingamajig? Cheers!
Salmon maybe with a little bit of rice. Rice, sesame food, maybe rice again. Pondu, you know pondu?
No.
Cassava leaves. Do you know cassava? South African kids.
Ah,
they know
okay.
cassava.
Jo, avocado.
Cassava.
The Sutu in me is coming out, please.
If you know cassava leaves, or even cassava root, that's a nice
This
food.
tastes amazing. This is delicious. So this is the first time I'm tasting salmon from the air fryer. And it's probably because I'm really hungry right now.
Nice. We can finish it, eh?
No, I'm not gonna finish it. I'm gonna say I'm not gonna finish
Putting
it and
you
then
on
the
the spot.
cameras,
Let the cameras
go
go
off.
off.
And I'm like, break my plate.
I'm still gonna make more of those. Like,
Make
as I
sense.
said, I think this is going to be
Let's get it.
plant-based food sort of video. Expect more plant-based food videos in future. So to conclude this video, the Xiaomi Mi air fryer after 1 year, it's still performing very fine. So Paelo here loved the food. She even said that the chicken nugget tastes even better than the one she makes at home.
Those were not my words.
Thanks to my air fryer. Like, this air fryer did magic on that food. That she's even thinking, she said it here, I'm gonna actually cut the video and put it here. She's even thinking of buying it for herself.
Yes,
This
that's
is
what
an
I
air
just
fryer.
said.
This is an air fryer that I've been using for almost 2 years. So if you're thinking of buying, I think this is the video that's gonna actually let you pull the trigger. Alright, so this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Where can they find you?
Paella Chabalala on all social media platforms.
Make sure you click the bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Like this video and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.